Hi guys, welcome back again with me in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add table of contents in your Google Docs file. So here I've already opened my Google Docs file, and then if you want to add a table of contents, don't forget to make your important point into a heading first. So for example, you just need to block the important point and then go to this and click on heading. I've already made a 3 heading, this one, and then the bibliography, and then also the table of contents at the bottom. And the next step is go to the insert option and then scroll down until you find this table of contents, and here you just need to choose how you want the table of contents to look, with page number on or with the blue links. I'm going to go with page number. Click on this, and then the table of contents will show up like this, and you can also edit the text like this, and also the size or extra. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can create a table of contents in your Google Docs file. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.